So, what is the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as y'all can see, we are in the M2 ski. Yo, I done missed y'all, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I fake been slacking, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, chat. I done been slacking on the vids, the uploads and shit. But I'm working on something. Don't worry, chat. I'm working on something. But yeah, I thought I'd pick up the cam tonight, give y'all boys a little nighttime POV drive. It's kind of drizzling out here a little bit, so I'm fake not gonna, oh my god, go too crazy. But yeah, hope everybody's having a blessed night, chat. I don't know why the car feels dumb fast today. I'm chatting, but yeah, I don't know. Feels like this bitch just want a boogie. Yeah, probably not gonna do too much talking. Just probably let y'all hear the car vibe out and shit. Might throw in the naughty pop. Nah, I'm joking.
Baby, I love how it sounds. Party never stops. Please ignore the clock, baby. Come and take another shot. I could do what you like, but please don't make it hot. Let me show you how to rock. Like he thought it was the cop. Do the dotty bob. Like do the dotty bob. Come on with your feet, you gotta let it pop. We having fun, the party never stops. She owes the Tuesday, so she tryna do me.
Okay.
Right after Tuesday, we make a movie in bed like it's Blu-ray. Oh, that's a blunt in your hand that I'm Tuesday. Never a grudge, it's a new day. They tryna follow the way, but it's too late. I'm doing show after show in a new state. She go by Denver, bezel, yo. I'm tryna fuck on her. Damn. I'm tryna see how it bounces. Slim little bad bitch, pretty and brown. Like head down on her face, seat down. She threw it back on her. Baby, I love how it sound. Party never stops. Please ignore the clock, baby. Come and take another shot. I could do what you like, but please don't make it hot. Wait, let me show you how to rock. Like hands up, you gotta make it chop. Move with your feet, you gotta let it pop. Now you do the dotty bob. Like do the dotty bob. Do the dotty bob. I'm never locking, no, it's got the chop. Throw it back on the cheek, she thought it was the cop. Do the dotty bob. Like do the dotty bob. Come on with your feet, you gotta let it pop. We having fun, the party never stops.
Hey. Yo, chat, but I also want to say one thing, yo. I got a lot of new mods coming for the car, man. So just stay, you know what I'm saying? Stay in tune with me. I got a lot of new mods coming for the car. A lot of new mods, trust. And if y'all come in Impact this year, just know I'm gonna be at Impact. This fucking, I don't know what this is behind me, but he is on my ass though. This little Civic here. That nigga is riding the fuck out of my ass. But yeah, like I said, if y'all come in Impact this year, just know I'm gonna be at Impact. I don't know how many of my subscribers and shit, feel me? But yeah, pop out, say what up to your boy, man. I don't bite, trust. Yeah, let's do it. Hopefully all my parts and shit come by then. Throw that shit on real quick. That shit in like 2 weeks too. GG's. Handles so fucking good, it's crazy. No, like it's actually insane. Do the dotty bop, whoa. Do the dotty bop, whoa. Bro, that song is so wavy. I was in the gym bumping that shit. Do the dotty pop, whoa. steer your car, man. Stay in your lane. Dotty bop. Whoa. Yeah, man, a lot of good things coming, chat. And I ain't gonna lie, if I hit 1,000 subs, I might fuck around buy another car. I'm not gonna tell y'all what car yet, but I might fuck around buy another car. We'll see. When I hit 1,000 subs though, we almost there actually. My sub count's like 909 or some shit. We almost there, chat. We almost at 1,000. So when I reach that shit, I'll probably buy another car. I don't know yet though. I was looking around, trying to see, checking the budget and shit. You know what I'm saying? Asking the wife's permission. Nah, I'm chatting. I'm chatting. Okay, civic handling, huh? Do the dotty bob. Do the whoa, whoa, hey. Whoa, 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 hey. Bro, your car can handle the turn. Trust me. You're all-wheel drive. You can handle the turn, brother. Don't worry. Just trust in yourself. Trust in yourself, brother. No need to brake. If I can do it, you can do it too. Flying again? Jesus Lord. I never understood why people drive slow cars fast. Like, just chill out, bro. Nah, who knows? Maybe bro in a rush. I'm chatting. Fucking dip, yo. We gotta stop for gas, yo. That's how you hit an apex, brother. Lost the plot long time ago. He lost this plot. Dude, what the fuck? There are trucks and shit in this shit. What the fuck is going on around here? That's a nice SUV. Gas just keep going up every day, yo. It's like crazy, yo. It's like one day it's like 4 some, next day that shit 5 cash. Like, oh my days. I remember when this shit was like 3 some. Oh my days. Yeah, bro, might have to sell the car, chat. Not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, fuck it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Just gotta make more money, I guess. Just gotta make more money. Just gotta make more money, chat. That's all. That's all, chat. Sheesh. Shit, this shit might D up. This shit might D up, chat. Look how dirty the fucking car is though. Oh my god. Looks like somebody took a shit on it. Because all this pollen and shit on the car. Sheesh. Alright, chat, I'm probably gonna end off the video here. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend, show love to the vid. And yeah, man, road to 1K, we almost there, chat. We gonna get it done, I promise. Love y'all, man. Chef fucking out.